Hello garden friends, and welcome back to my channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I don't know about you, but I am really ready for spring to come. I live in the southwest suburbs of Chicago, Zone 6A, and although we've been getting milder winters, the last couple of weeks we've had some snow and also some sub-zero temperatures. So yeah, bring on spring. I will link my vegetable seed haul video above if anyone is interested in checking that out. So let me show you what I'll be growing this year for my greens, shoots, and roots. First will be my greens. So I have a few different seed companies. So the first one is from MI Gardener, and it's salad bowl mix. The next one is from Baker Creek, and it's called Pablo. The next one is tennis ball lettuce. So these are small lettuces. This one's called Tom Thumb. The next one is Little Gem. Looks like small romaine lettuce. This one was a good one last year as well. Gustav salad. And Rocky Top lettuce salad blend. So those are from Baker Creek, and then I have a couple from Johnny's, and this one is Crispito iceberg lettuce. Then I have a bib lettuce butter crunch. So those are all my lettuces, and I'm going to grow from MI Gardener American spinach. From MI Gardener as well, I'm going to grow the Blizzard snap peas. I know these are more not in the same category as greens, but it goes with salad. So I'm putting the cucumbers with this. And this one is from MI Gardener Space Master 80 Cucumber. From Burpee, Heyday Hybrid. From Seed Savers, Bushy Cucumber. From Seed Savers, Early Fortune Cucumber. From Baker Creek, Market More 76. That one's a popular one I see at the garden centers. And this one is for pickling. I'm going to try to grow these for pickling. And these are good for sweet pickles, which I do like. So if anybody's got a recipe for making these the sweet pickles, leave it in the comments below. This one is Parisian pickling cucumber. Then I have some baby greens, and I have arugula from Botanical Interest, baby green spinach, baby greens market day lettuce mesclun, and baby greens pea shoots. And then I did have in my vegetables my onions, but I'm going to also tell you which ones I'm going to be growing as well, because these are more considered a root. So I'm doing from my MI Gardener white sweet Spanish onion, red Weathersfield onion, Utah yellow sweet Spanish onion, Hashiko bunching onion, red beard bunching onion. Finally, I'm going to be growing potatoes, and so I'm going to look here at the different varieties I'm going to be growing as well. So from Seeds and Such, I grew these last year, and they were really good. They were hybrid potato Clancy. They're just little tiny potatoes. So these were good. I like to make like a breakfast burrito with potatoes, and these were just the right size. They were small. And then from Johnny's, I'm going to be growing Yukon Gold and Caribou Russet potatoes. From MI Gardener, I'm going to be growing Red Pontiac and Kennebuck potatoes. And then the last thing that I'm going to be growing is some roots. So I have some parsnips, Holy Crown from Burpee. I'm going to try parsnips this year. From My Gardener, I have Imperator carrots. And then from Johnny's, I have Glow Sticks Sunrise Mix carrots. So those are all my greens, shoots, and roots. The baby greens that I'm showing you, I'm going to be growing these in my Greenstalk, and I'm going to leave a picture above. Baby greens I'm going to be growing in my Greenstalk. So I've grown many things in the Greenstalk. I've grown, the first year I grew some lettuces, and the second year I grew herbs. The third year I grew strawberry and chives, and last year I grew flowers. So this year I am going to be growing the baby greens in there, and then in my 2 raised beds in my yard I'm going to grow determinate tomatoes and some peppers. In 1 raised bed at the community garden I'm going to be growing strictly potatoes, along with maybe a perimeter of flowers. And then the other one I'm going to be growing my peas and beans, and then once the peas are done I'm going to be growing the cucumbers, and then I will also be growing the bigger heads of lettuce in that particular raised bed. And then the farm garden, I'm going to be growing the indeterminate tomatoes along with some pumpkins, and hopefully I'm going to get another plot for flowers. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share for all my new videos coming up. So now for the giveaway. So this video I'm going to be giving away from, again, Nicole John C. Burke, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit. Again, the fruit is your tomatoes, and that was in my previous video. And today I'm showing you in this seed haul some leaves, roots, and shoots. So this is a great book as well, so I'm going to be giving you that along with a few salad greens. So I have My Gardener salad bowl mix, some baby greens, some Snappy Fresh Mesclun, some Apple Blossom Swiss Chard blend, and some baby greens spinach. So I'll be giving that away, along with from Botanical Interest these seed starting trays and domes. So I wanted to explain a little bit about these. So these are hard plastic. They have ventilation so that you have good airflow to your little sprouts and your little transplants, and then at the end all you have to do is pop them out from the bottom. They're very easy to transplant. So I'm going to be giving away these 3 6-packs along with the covers, the 4 seeds, and this book. The giveaway starts Friday, February 21st at 6 a.m. and runs through Sunday, March 2nd at 11 p.m. The winner will be announced Monday, March 3rd at 12 noon. You have a week to respond and send me your email so I could send you the giveaway prizes. Otherwise, another winner will be chosen. All you need to do to enter to win is what you will be growing this year in your garden, whether it's a vegetable or some salads, and what you'll be growing them in raised beds, or maybe you're growing them in the ground. Leave it in the comments below what you'll be growing this year. My next video will be my cool and warm season seeds. See you soon, and thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.